Good morning dear students, welcome to the Maths Online class. Students, in previous class we discussed about one of the most important method of the subtraction, that is the subtraction on the number line, and today we start the solve some problems on the third method, that is the subtraction on the abacus. You already know about that one, how to add the numbers or the addition on the abacus and joining the what uh, numbers on the addition process in the abacus. Okay, today we solve the examples on the subtraction using the abacus method. Okay, so see here how to subtract the number using the abacus. You already know about that one. Abacus machine consists of the with respect to their positions. In two digit numbers, only two positions are there. That one is that is placements are ones and the tens placement. Here they given the minuend and the subtrahend. In the process of the addition, we take the two abacus beads and find the sum for that. But in one abacus only, in the one placement only, we have to solve the subtraction problems. How? See that one. 57 minus 32 is their first example. According to the minuend, that is 57, they given one abacus machine with the beads of the tens and the ones placement with the basis of the 57 or the minuend. We have to subtract the number 32 in that beads only. By crossing the beads, we have to calculate the difference for that. So see here 57. In 57, 7 is in the ones placement, so 7 beads are there, and tens placement 5, so 5 beads are there. Okay, according to the next process is according to the subtrahend, we have to cancel the beads here. So here the subtrahend is 32 is there. In 32, ones placement consists of two number. So here cancel 2 beads, 1, 2, and how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in ones placement. So write 5 in ones placement. Then comes towards the tens placement. In the tens placement 3 is there. So in tens placement cancel 3 beads, 1, 2, 3. So remaining beads are 2 beads are there. So write here in a tens placement. Don't confusion, write the ones placement number in the tens placement. So according to the position and the placement only we have to write that one. So here they given with respect to their minuend, we have to cancel or cross out the beads with respect to the subtrahend and find the difference for that. So 57 minus 32 is equal to 25. Then beat one, see, minuend is 43. So in the tens position 4 beads are there, and ones position 3 beads are there. So according to the subtrahend only, we have to cancel or cross out the beads here. So in 12, 2 is in the ones placement. So cancel first with 2 beads in the ones placement only, not in the tens placement, because 2 number is in the ones placement. So cancel in the beads in the ones placement only. So cancelled. So the remaining bead is only 1. So write in the ones placement, here the ones placement, and this one is the tens placement. Then next one, in 12, 1 is in the tens placement. So we have to cross out 1 bead in the tens placement. So cross out, and the remaining beads are 3. So write here 3, and the difference is 31. Very good. The next one, see one. 65 minus 51 is there. So 65, according to that beads are there. We have to cross out with respect to the subtrahend. So ones placement 1. So cross out 1 bead, and remaining 4. And in the tens placement 6 beads are there. In that we have to cancel the 5 beads. So cancel now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and remaining only 1. So write here 1. The difference is 14. Okay, this is the method of the subtraction on the abacus. See the next one, D1. 36 minus 11. Here according to the 36, here in the placement tens placement 3 and ones placement 6 beads are there. We have to cancel according to the very good subtrahend. In ones position only 1 bead, and tens position 1 bead, and write with respect to that. In tens placement first you have to write the tens placement. So tens placement 2 beads are there, and ones placement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write here 5. So 36 minus 11 is equal to 25. Then each one, 98. 9 in the tens position and 8 in the ones position. So 72 we have to cancel. In the ones position 2 beads and in the tens position 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And remaining beads in the tens and the ones placement same. In tens placement 2 beads are there and in the ones placement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beads are there. So right here 6. The difference will be the 26. See the last one. Read carefully. 71 minus 30 is there. Okay. According to the minuend, they given the beads in the tens and the one position. According to the subtrahend only we have to cross out the beads. Okay. So in the subtrahend 0 is in the ones position. 0 means we have to cross out no beads. Okay. No beads we have to cross out. Then in the tens placement 3 is there, so we have to cross out 3 beads in the tens placement. So 1, 2, 3. So we have to write the remaining beads in the answer as an answer. So in the tens placement 1, 2, 3, 4 beads are there. So write 4 in the tens placement. And how many beads are there in the ones placement? Very good. Only one bead is there. That is the 41 is the difference. Okay, this is the method of the subtraction on the abacus. Okay, write this one is in your classwork book, and today's homework is solve page number 34 practice. There is a practice part is there. There are 3 problems are there according to the abacus only, subtraction on the abacus only. Solve that 3 problems in your homework book. Thank you.